Google Meet is a secure and safe way to have video calls and meetings. It lets you connect with friends, family, classmates, and coworkers. In this video, we'll explain the 4 main things that change how you use Google Meet. First, the features you get depend on your Google Workspace Edition. Think of this like your membership plan. Google has different plans. Standard plans are basic and simple. Enterprise plans are for big companies or schools. These allow for up to 1,000 people in one meeting. Enterprise plans also offer advanced features like live streaming, meeting recording, and transcribing a meeting using Gemini. Second, you have the Workspace Admin. The Workspace Admin is the person in charge of your school or company's Google settings and decides which features are allowed and turned on for everyone. If there's a feature you need but you don't see it, be sure to ask your Workspace Admin. Third, there is the host. This is the person who starts the meeting. The host and any co-hosts get to make their own choices for that specific meeting. For example, the host can decide who is allowed to share their screen, or who to invite or remove during the meeting. Finally, your experience depends on your role when you join the meeting. You will usually be a participant or a viewer. The participant is the most common role. As a participant, you can usually use the chat, share your screen, and send reactions. A viewer has the least access. Viewers can only watch and listen. They can't chat or share their screen. The viewer role is usually used for very large meetings. One last thing to remember. If you use a phone or a laptop, some settings might look a little different on each device. For more help, visit the Google Meet Help Center.